Check out this Ford 2018 Edge Titanium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 12 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo with single CD player, premium audio system, Sony, Sirius XM radio, Sync 3 communications and entertainment system, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.